What is up, Flockers? It has been a minute and a half, and if you're wondering where I have been and why I sound like death and look like death, it's because I have felt like it. But yeah, it has been a minute since I have talked to y'all, and there's just been sickness going around the family with flus and colds and ear infections and sinus infections. So yeah, I just have not been on my camera game lately. Hoping to fix that. Tomorrow is a really big day at church. I spent a lot of hours preparing a space for worship this week, along with the help of a lot of amazing people. So I really want to be able to give my all in worship this Sunday, because on Thursday when we were having rehearsal, my voice literally went out in the middle because of the sinus infection that I guess turned into laryngitis. So it's been a week. It's been some days. I had no voice yesterday. Now it is Saturday and I have a voice, but it's still not as strong as it could be. So I'm trying to do my best to rest it as much as possible, and just rest in general as much as possible. Drink lots of fluids and all the nasty concoctions that have turmeric and I almost said garlic, although that probably would work too, but ginger and other things like that. So hopefully my voice will be, it's not going to be at 100% tomorrow, but hopefully it will be higher of a percentage than it is right now, so that I can, like I said, put my all into worship. And I need this head feeling to go away, this balloon feeling, because that right there is the worst part. That sinus pressure is no joke. I can't talk, jerk. It's no joke. Those of y'all that know. So yeah. All right, so it is almost 7 in the morning, and I have made it to the church. I still got a lot of drainage and stuff happening. I'm gonna do some breathing treatments and some steam to hopefully break some more of this up, but my voice definitely feels better, but it's not at 100%. So I still need to take it easy during run through today, so that way I don't strain my voice before I have to actually sing at service at 9:30. But today is the best that I have felt in probably 3 days, so we're getting somewhere with it. But yeah, we just got to work with what we got at this point. But like I said, today is going to be a special Sunday, and so we pulled out some things that we don't have on a regular everyday Sunday. So got some cookies that will go out, a little platter from Sam's, and then there will also be donuts and coffee there later on. But yeah, I think I'm going to do some of my vocal warm-ups and do some breathing treatments, and then head over there so I can put the last few little things over there that need to go over there before everybody else gets here at 8 o'clock for run through. So I gotta get to it. I have made it to the space for worship this Sunday. I got a couple of things I need to take care of. I don't have the stage lights on. I'm the first one in here, but got little candles and whatnot set up down here. So I need to finish setting up the candles and moving a couple of things. I got a rug that I need to put under the drum set, and what else? I'm forgetting something. There's a lot of stuff. The cookies and donuts and all that will be set up in a little bit. But yeah, I got doors that I got to get unlocked. Lots of little things that I got to get done. But it will all come together very soon. And it'll look very different in here very soon once all the stage lights and whatnot are on. But I don't know how to turn those on, and I'm not about to start pushing a bunch of buttons. Nebulizer that I use. It literally just cut off. It was working. but this is a game changer and has really helped with my voice in terms of in times when, you know, singing early in the morning and your voice just ain't voicing. That nebulizer tends to get me right, and so I will swear by the nebulizer. I will swear by the steam treatments. It all makes a difference. So hopefully we'll be able to get somewhat of a quack out of me this morning. Ooh, it is bright. But yeah, the rest of everybody will be showing up in the next 10 minutes. So the final run through will commence very soon. Y'all, I am exhausted and tired, but service went amazingly well, and you can probably hear it in my voice. I left it all out there on the stage and have nothing left to give, so I'm about to take my Sudafed and go home and lay in bed for the rest of the afternoon so that I can hopefully finish getting better. And yeah, but service was really awesome. Ooh, my voice is tired. So yeah, I'm going to stop talking. I feel like I almost passed out a few times on stage this morning just because, yeah, between being under the hot lights and then having antibiotics and Sudafed and stuff in my system, I'm just a hot mess. So like I said, I'm gonna go home, get some rest, and hopefully get better so I can get back to normal life and feeling normal again soon.